Hi there, and again, thanks for joining in. Thanks for taking the time and watching the video. Um, yeah, today is a bit different than usual. No, it's not. Um, Today I'm finished with the Valkyrie set, so the next few times I will just do some stuff in between, some work on the folder with inspirations, with ideas that I keep around. Yeah, same as this time, I'm doing one of the ideas that I already had and working on this one. So as you can see, I already had a base shirt within. That's because I have a basic shirt ready to go for whenever I want to do something top related. So I just have to do a few minor tweaks to it and not create one each time. So I guess the next or one of the next videos will be about just showing you a few of these base items that I have that I keep around. Maybe even show you how to make one full body base item, so that this is a possibility, because I think it's way easier to work from such a base item, from such a base start, than having to craft the same thing over and over again. So if you have to craft a top each time you want to do a t-shirt, or I don't know, anything, yeah, this is going to be exhausting. So keep a few basics around and work with those. Another thing that I noticed while I was working on this one was that I started to have really good routines for some parts. So for example, this one has a zipper right down the middle, and it wasn't even I hadn't even to think about how do I want to do the zipper, because I was like, okay, I know how I do this. I've done this before multiple times. I know my steps, and it was step to step. It was done, which is pretty cool, because for me myself, it just shows me, hey, I made some progress in the overall art of what I'm doing here, and this feels good. This feels really rewarding in a certain sense. So the same with the choker. I used the choker I already had and deleted some parts of it, and yeah, used it. So I didn't have to do the. At the start, I was thinking, okay, do I want to do the choker all over again? Then I looked at the base choker I saved and said, okay, no, this one doesn't work. I need to take another one, and I just copy pasted another one I already had finished and worked with it, and it worked quite well. Yeah, so the idea actually is from a YouTube video someone linked in the Discord. And it was basically on the artwork on the front. So I was like, okay, this looks cool, and right now I don't really want to do another set. There's a few things I want to do, and yeah, so I decided I just doing some small stuff, some single pieces, and work with this. What I also did yesterday, so Tuesday, there was a sale on this 3D, so I went and grabbed a few parts. I grabbed a few bigger sets, for example, the Kali 6 set and the Michael 6 set. One is for the female, one is for the male Genesis edition. And in the end I grabbed a few things more, so right now I have a whole new set of poses I can try out. I have new body morphs I can try, I have new skin tones I can try. So expect some more variety in the regards of how the characters look, and yeah, of course what they wear, because that's what I'm working on. But yeah, you can basically expect some more variety in skin tone, and yeah, probably even gender if I get around to it. There's still a male character I want to do. I want to finish. There's 2 pieces already done, I think, and yeah, I probably should do finish this at some point, because it ties into a bigger thing that I want to work on. Yeah, but in the end, yeah. Right now you see me work on the zipper, so this is the part where I was like, okay, this is really smooth. I know exactly what I'm doing, which doesn't look like it because I'm going back and forth a bit, but in the end, I was really like, okay, do this, do this, do this, done. And this is the finished zipper, basically. Not quite, but basically. Yeah, and it was really fast. It was really easy. I actually had to change a little bit in a minute or something, because yeah, right there I was okay. Wait, the zipper goes up to the neck, so I have to make a hole in the cut a part out from the collar, choker, whatever. But it was really not that difficult to work with that here and make the adjustments. Took me basically a few seconds to figure out what part to manipulate and where to manipulate it. Yeah, but the overall thing was didn't take long. It took about 40 minutes plus the time to implement it in Dev 3D, which was I think 5 minutes. So it wasn't even that long. Yeah, other things I want to do in the next few days is pair of shoes, heels again, obviously, and the other thing I want to do is a scenery kind of for the Valkyrie actually. So I want to do some stuff for the Valkyrie here at this point. We'll see if I'm done how it looks. Yeah, and that's basically it for today, for this video. Sorry, today's I always say today, but I don't actually know if you're looking or watching this on the same day or not. Well, I do, but I'm not. I have no control over it. I can see when the video gets views, so that's the thing. Yeah, but that's basically it. It's not really that complicated. It's got a top I can color differently. It's got the base thing around the torso. It got the zipper, and it got the neck choker color, whatever part. But yeah, it's really not that much. Again, I will do some single pieces, so don't expect videos around this length, around this time of content. In this case, it's 4 times the normal speed. Yeah. At the end, I have the finished thing inside, but not the weekly render. If you wanna see that, I will put a link below. But then you would best be checking on my Patreon regularly. So if you want to do that, that'd be cool. Or join my Discord. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope I catch you next time, and goodbye.